Hey, Midwest Picker here. All right, so me and Little Midwest, we had to go to Best Buy and return an item. And then right next to Best Buy is an antique mall. I'm like, holy cow, we got to stop in. Why not? So it's very difficult to pick an antique mall, antique store. People can do it, like Kat the Nurse Flipper, she can do it. Don the Auction Professor, he can do it. It's probably the most difficult place to source from, but it's a fun place to go just to see what they have in case you want to buy something to keep or buy something to flip. So I went right to the ephemera section. They had a big magazine rack. They had the typical stuff, sheet music, old Mad magazines, some unusual magazines, True Detective, and all just kinds of weird stuff. Well, I saw something that caught my eye. I may have bought a unicorn. That's right. I'm so excited. Look at this. I'm so excited. I'm all jiggly like Harry Humstone. So I saw it. This is the back. I'm going to put pictures up here in the corner too. So if you're not into UFOs, don't hit pause. Don't leave the video. Even if you're not into UFOs, it doesn't matter. This is a reselling channel. It doesn't matter if you're not into My Little Pony or Barbies. Troy's into Barbies. Lego, Hot Wheels, plush, VHS tapes. It doesn't matter. You don't have to be into it to sell it and make money. So the UFO community knows exactly about Project Blue Book and J. Allen Hynek. So I will put a link down below to Wikipedia. You can look it up if you want. I don't know that much about newsletters, but apparently this organization called International UFO Reporter put out this little, I don't know, it's like an 8-page editorial, and it has a contribution by J. Allen Hynek. I haven't even done my research on this. I did look up comps, and it's very difficult. This exact one, it's not on eBay, hasn't sold in the last 90 days. I didn't go to Terapeak or anything, I didn't have time. There's one from 1978 that's listed for $59. This one is a little bit different. This is from 1976, and this is Volume 1, Number 1, Premiere Issue. That's right. This is the very first one. See if I can see that right there. Premiere Issue, Volume 1. So this is the very first one. So if you have the very first Mad magazine, the very first Playboy magazine, the very first Life magazine, or National Lampoon, the first one of anything is always worth a premium. The problem is this is very niche-y. This is very unusual. There's not millions of people going to eBay searching for this item. It's unusual, weird, and we don't know what the comps are yet. I have to still do my research. So if somebody has a 1978 listed for $59, I'm going to put this as an auction because I really don't know what it's worth, and I'm going to put the starting bid at $99.99, free first-class shipping. I already know this is 7 ounces. No matter where it goes, it's about $3.95 at the most. So if it doesn't get any bids and it doesn't sell, I'll do it as a buy it now for $159.99 and just let it ride. After 30 days, maybe 60 days, I'll turn offers on. Definitely not going to do promoted listings because guess what? This is the only one on eBay. If you have a single item that's the only one, don't use promoted listings. There's no point in it. So the condition is fantastic. I mean, it is like near perfect. The edges are fine. I didn't take it out of the sleeve and look at the inside to see if there's writing or anything. Be pretty cool if there was some like film or photo negatives of a UFO inside of here. Whoa, that would be kind of cool. But yeah, it looks fantastic. It looks really, really good. So even, like I said, even if you're not into UFOs, it doesn't matter if you see a My Little Pony or a plush from WWF, professional wrestling. Those things are worth tons of money. So if you see anything like this, you know, a typical UFO book or newsletter is probably not worth a ton of money, but I knew who J. Allen Hynek was because I'm kind of interested in the whole subject, but I've never heard of this editorial before. So I'm going to go in the house, go to Wikipedia, do my research, figure this out. This thing could be worth $1,000. I don't know. Maybe the J. Allen Hynek Museum is looking for this thing, and they're going to pay big bucks, and the auction will go crazy, or it'll be crickets. I don't know. I did pay up, though. I paid $20 for it. When I saw the one from 1978, and they wanted like $58, $59 for it, I thought, well, heck, if that one is probably worth that much, the very first one has to be worth a ton. So sometimes you have to pay more. You're not going to find this at a garage sale. You might, I don't know. But I figured, okay, if I can turn $20 into $100 or $200, who knows? It's worth the risk. So that's the video, guys. I'll put some pictures up here. I'll put a link down below. Sometimes you got to pay up to make the big dollar. Sorry about the lighting. I got the sun right in my face. Do you like the pink Nike shirt? It's got Mickey Mouse on there. Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I will be making more videos. Share this. If you know somebody that's a UFO enthusiast that would want to buy this, hit that share button and send it to them, because I'm not going to list this on eBay for like 3 weeks. So if they want to reach out to me, my email's down below. Maybe we can do a deal off platform, and I could send them an invoice through PayPal, and we can do it that way. But thanks for watching, guys. More videos coming soon. A house walkthrough video, maybe October 5, 6, 7, around then, coming soon. Thanks for coming, guys. See you next time.